And where I meditate. Culture, language, and religion. इंसान जिंदगी वीरान है, सफर करना रात संसार, वही मेरी जमीन, वही आसमान है, वही खुदा, वही मैं भगवान। तो संजना, next I call Bhargavi Dole for some interesting facts. To each and everyone, I am Bhargavi Dole from class 2, standing in front of you to deliver some fascinating facts. Horse and cows sleep while standing, and octopus has 9 pairs. Thank you and have a nice incident comes Peter. Good morning everyone, respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and all my dear Bosconians. I am Rajnandini Sutya of class 2 and standing before you all to speak a few words on the topic self-discipline. When you are self-disciplined, you would see that you are doing better at school or at work. Self-discipline is an essential aspect of an individual life. From his or her journey from school to college and from college to work, self-discipline is the ability to control one's own action and behavior. It helps in setting and achieving goals, improve focus and concentration. Self-discipline helps us to stick to our dreams and goals. A person cannot achieve success without self-discipline in life. Good morning everybody. I, Prakti Pradhan, is presenting today's thought of the day. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom.
Segne all mein Tun, lass in deinem Segen Tag und Nacht mich ruhen. Lass in deinem Segen Tag und Nacht mich ruhen.
Dear everyone, respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and you all my dear Bosconians. I, Prakti Pradhan of class 2A, standing in front of you to deliver today's thought.
President in this morning assembly, respected father, members of the teaching staff, and you all my dear Bosconians. Today, I, Krishnan of class 7A, standing in front of you on behalf of literature. Today, I am honored to introduce a book that has the power to transform the way we approach challenges and navigate the complexities of our lives. The element of effective thinking is not just a book, it's a guide that illuminates the path to sharper, more insightful thinking. This compelling work, penned by mathematicians and educators and working Berger and Michael Starber, unravels mysteries of effective thinking. As member of the English Club, we may wonder why a book on thinking skills is relevant when the art of effective expression in English or any language is deeply intertwined.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Siddhanta Puri of class 2 standing in front of me with a top of the day. All words and no play makes Jacob a person.
We know that month of February is the month of exams in most of the schools, most of the academic year. And I urge you earnestly to make sure that we begin preparing in an earnest way. We can come out nicely of the exam if we do two things. One is we should have a realistic goal. Don't have a goal that are unachievable, goals that are realistic. You cannot bite more than what you are capable of chewing. And if you chew or if you bite that way, then either you will be choco or you will struggle with the indigestion. So we should always bite always what we are capable of chewing. And that means we should always have a realistic dream. And once you set that goal that is achievable, then we work towards it. That means you should make sure that your priorities are good. And once you set your goal, once your priorities are right, then definitely you will realize nothing can steer you from the goal that you have set. Very often I have seen students, they set the goal, but when they neglect in all kinds of activities, and they neglect the goal that they have put over themselves. And that means the priorities are not correct. Whatever comes to us, whatever comes to our life, we are really to be part of it.